How you all doing? Right, let's just jump straight into it. Right then, let's get the fuel tank back on. Right then, that's the fuel tank on. Did anybody notice the deliberate mistake? Is the vacuum pipe was trapped underneath the tank. Goes all the way back to the ECU or whatever it is. So now I've just got to put the bolt back in and get the battery box back in. Right then, let's get the new battery in. Right then, let's get the front fluid back on. Right then, let's get this thing on the road. Okay, so far so good. Charging at 12.3 volts, I don't know if you can see that. Whoa! Bloody freezing, but at least it's dry. I tell you what, I really do love the feel of this bike. Sitting up nice and proud. Come on, Jen. The clutch lever is a bit extended, like you need fingers like Nasbar or two to reach. I've stretched my fingers right out just to pull the clutch in. It's a bit uncomfortable. It's charging at 13.4 now, which is a bit better. Hello. I bet you're all fogged up, are you? To the hole in the wall, get some money. There we go. Let's go and get some fuel. Well, no nasty surprises yet. No, I think it's a good bike. It seems like a pretty good bike, actually. Nearly at 60, and it feels pretty good. It's charging at 12.4. I don't want to go too far because I don't want to be pushing this home, obviously. I love it, lovely. What a lovely bike. Let's get back home and see if there's anything we can't see from up here. Ooh. On the mobile phone as well. Certainly flies. better calm down a bit until I get used to that thing. Oh my giddy God. My giddy God. Oh, I see, you press the button and I've done 18 miles. Right, now let's really head for home. Neutral's a bit hard to find from first. If you go down to first, you can't get it back into neutral. It's better to do it from second and push it into neutral. But hopefully an oil change will sort all that out. There's a bit of a snatch there on the back wheel. Maybe the cush drive, I don't know. You could hear it, little clicking, clonking, whatever you want to call it. It might just be the chain snapping, I don't know, just probably just my imagination trying to make problems up. Here we go, home safe and sound. I don't know if you could see that, but the coolant's gone down a bit. I can't see no drips. Yes, I must really say, I enjoyed that. Yes, it was fun, really enjoyable to ride. I wasn't out on it for very long, but I didn't want to go too far, just in case we had any electrical problems and the battery went flat and I couldn't restart the thing and got stranded somewhere. So I just tried to keep fairly local, although we did do 26 miles in the end, and I loved every minute of it. So that looks like it's the end of the Triumph project. Now it's on the road. I will do a review video on it, you know, a review and afterthoughts and all that rubbish. And it probably will pop up now and then in my videos as a servicing tutorial for people with the same bike. So after the review, I will have to start on the landfill bike, get that thing sorted and done and dusted. I've ordered a new battery for the thing. It's in the other shed. The front tyre's gone flat, not been touched since probably the last video I made of it. I can't remember when that was. So hopefully we're going to get the landfill bike done and dusted in the next video or two, and then hopefully we'll have another project to do. So yes, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Drop me 50 quid in my buy me a drink PayPal thing. Thank you to all my subscribers and everybody that watches. It's much appreciated. There's a lot of hard work what goes into making these videos, as you probably know, some of you. Yeah, stay well, stay safe, and on that note,
I'll see you in another life, brother.
I'll see you on the next one.
Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah. quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough.